In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Confluence. Whether you're polishing a team document or building a knowledge base article, these simple formatting moves will make your content clearer, more skimmable, and easier to maintain. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to work on. At the top right, click Edit to enter the editor. You'll see the formatting toolbar appear above your content. That's where most of today's actions happen, and it updates as you select different types of text. To build a clear structure, turn plain lines into headings. Highlight the text, open the paragraph drop-down in the toolbar, and choose Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3, depending on its importance. Use Heading 1 for the main sections, Heading 2 for subtopics, and Heading 3 for finer details. Keeping a consistent hierarchy makes long pages easier to scan, and helps readers find what they need quickly. For emphasis, use bold and italics with intent. Select the text, then click the bold or italic icons in the toolbar. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl+B or Ctrl+I on Windows, or Command+B or Command+I on a Mac. Bold is great for key terms or decisions. Italics works well for subtle notes, examples, or emphasis within a sentence. Lists help organize ideas and steps. Select your lines and click the bulleted list icon for unordered points, or the numbered list icon for sequences and procedures. You can also indent and outdent items to create subpoints, which keeps complex lists tidy and readable. Quick note for anyone just getting started. I've placed a link to the official Confluence website at the very top of the description so you can sign in and follow along easily. Color can guide attention when used thoughtfully. Select your text, click the text color icon, and pick a color. For a highlighter effect, choose the background color option in the same menu. Stick to a few consistent colors and maintain strong contrast so everything stays accessible and readable. To add a link, select the text you want to turn into a link, click the link icon, paste or type the URL, and press enter. Use descriptive link text like View Release Notes, rather than click here, so readers know exactly what to expect. If you're showing code, commands, or file names, select the snippet and click Code in the toolbar. This applies a monospace style that keeps characters aligned and easy to read. Perfect for technical documentation. When you're finished, click Publish at the top right to save your page. And remember, you can hover over any toolbar icon to see a quick tooltip that explains what it does. That's it. With clean headings, smart emphasis, organized lists, helpful color, clear links, and readable code, your Confluence pages will look polished and professional. Thanks for watching.